Sir, hi classmate. My name is Jericho Rasillas from Group 5. Our title is Technology and Communication. Technology is significant in law enforcement because it can help prevent and detect crime, track and apprehend suspects, and make policing more efficient. Technology can also make policing more cost-effective and efficient by guiding law enforcement to direct their efforts where crime is most likely to occur. What I learned about this topic is technology plays an important role in society today. It has positive and negative effects on the world, and it impacts daily lives. Technology affects the way individuals communicate, learn, and think. It helps society and determine how people interact with each other on a daily basis. Technology is transforming police work in the 21st century, introducing the new tools to fight crime and new categories of crime to fight. For example, while more and more police departments across as eyes in the sky, the FBI reports they are also being used for criminal activities. Now, with the rapid pace of technology developments, agencies are finding new and innovative ways to leverage these tools to enhance public safety, catch criminals, and save lives. Online tools gives me more flexible and personalized learning experience through the use of technology. Every student basically has the world in their hands. We use technologies to exchange information, to learn, to clean or out clothes, to prepare our meals, and to get from one place to another. Technology provides students with easy to access information, accelerated learning, and fun opportunities to practice what they learn. This technology experience inspired me to excel in the future career in law enforcement because technology can help us to improve our lives in many ways, such as making us more productive, and technology has greatly enhanced the creativity of students. They can access vast amounts of information easily with computer and mobile phones. That's all, sir. Thank you.